ever, like, have that clingy kid that just needs a little too much attention? I was trying to check on the baby guineas and chicks. May I help you? You're gonna fall. Quit headbutting me. Ow! Headbutt me and then kick me? That's just not nice. Ow. Instead of having rats in my hair, I have a cat in my hair. Ha! You can't get to my ear. Ha ha! Oh, you're gonna fall. You're so graceful. Yeah, you can't get to my ear because my hair's down, which means I'm never going to get it brushed out because you've got it tangled up. Oh, you still found part of me. You better be glad you're a good freaking garage cat. He keeps the mice out. Unfortunately, he keeps the birds and snakes out. Ow! But he doesn't bother the baby chicks, even if they get out and run around the garage. Had 2 of the guineas out yesterday. Had a baby duck out last week. He doesn't bother them. The iguana was out. He didn't bother it. Nope. Oh, not your best feature, dude. So he's a pretty good barn cat, garage cat. Although the garage is turned into a barn. But then he does this. I guess it's the price I pay for a good freaking garage cat. Don't you eat my head. Leave my headset alone. Ow! He found my ear. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, quit. Quit. That hurt. That's it. You're getting a little too feisty. Get down. Get down. Get down. Oh my gosh. Got me all sorts of tore up. Boy, you got a hold of my ear. I know I need to re-pierce my ears, but that's not how I want to do it. Okay, now I can finish feeding stuff. Maybe. Have a good night.